Rainforest stretches over much of Luzon Island, one of the northernmost islands in the Philippines, and the second largest island overall. In many sections of the island, the jungle is incredibly thick and treacherous, so much so that in World War II, the mountainous jungle region was used as the base of Filipino resistance fighters against the Japanese, any untrained souls who get lost within it. The heat and humidity sap energy, the water can be filled with parasites and diseases, and the jungle itself is worse than any maze. The jungle is home to crocodiles, snakes, spiders, and monkey-hunting eagles, large enough to pluck monkeys from tree branches and carry them off.